In episode 27, Yingguo and Yiyang are hanging out. Chen tells Yiyang that Yiyang wants to talk about the Asian indoor games. Yiyang agrees. Yingguo says, "Has someone kept an eye on my man? I am feeling jealous." Yiyang explains that he can't avoid her because she is the vice captain of the 9-ball team. Yingguo says that she did not say that. Now, Yiyang carries her on his back and calls Chen. Chen asks if she sprained her ankle. Yiyang says, no. Yingguo tries to silence him, but Yiyang tells Chen to inform Yiyang that he will meet his mother-in-law today, so we'll have the meeting later. Chen says, all right. Yiyang then takes Yingguo to his room. Yingguo, seeing many lighters in a jar, asks if Yiyang collects them. Yiyang explains that he used to like them when he was alone. Yingguo opens the jar and takes out one lighter, mentioning that she has seen it before. Yingguo lights the lighter and tells Yiyang, ask for any wish, and I'll make it come true. Yiyang replies, I want everything to go well today. Yingguo assures, don't worry, I'll take care of you today. Yiyang says, if your parents accept me, I'm willing to do anything. Yiyang then tries to kiss Yingguo, but Yingguo interrupts, saying, let's check the time because we can't afford to be late. Yiyang and Yingguo are now heading to Yingguo's house. Yingguo informs Yiyang that her mom won't be able to join them for dinner due to a meeting. While going inside, Yingguo starts saying, now I'm getting nervous. Yiyang reassures Yingguo by saying, don't worry, I'll try my best. Yingguo notices that Yiyang is sweating and Yiyang explains, it's hot today. Yiyang then takes off his coat and gives it to her. Yiyang jokes, if everything goes wrong, I'll run away with you. Yingguo laughs at this. Now, Yingguo brings Yiyang inside, and Yiyang meets her father. At that moment, Xiaodong also arrives. Yiyang gives some gifts to Yingguo's dad, who kindly invites him to sit down. Yingguo's dad then asks if Yiyang knows that he used to be an athlete, and Yiyang confirms, saying Yingguo told him about it. He tells Yiyang that if he ever needs advice, he can come to him. Hearing this, Yingguo is also happy that her dad really likes Yiyang. Now Yingguo's older sister comes here, and she goes to her room after saying hello to Yiyang. Now Yingguo's grandma calls everyone to eat. They all sit down to eat. Grandma tells Yiyang that she wants to thank him because he has taken very good care of Xiaoqian. Yiyang says he and Xiaodong are really good friends. Yingguo looks quite satisfied seeing her dad and grandma happy. After the meal, Yingguo's dad is going out. He says to Yiyang to come home again and then leaves. Yingguo sees her grandma working and tells Yiyang to stay while she helps. Yingguo then leaves, and Yiyang goes to sit with Yingguo's older sister. She says to Yiyang, you used to study at 7th secondary school, right? We've met before. Yiyang says, your name also seems familiar. You were Yang Fu's girlfriend, right? She says, we broke up. Yingguo comes and calls Yiyang to help her. Yingguo asks Yiyang if her sister said anything to him. Yiyang says, I'm an adult. What can she say to me? Yingguo says that she didn't seem happy during dinner, so I was a little worried. Yiyang says, we had a little chat and found out that we've met before. Your sister was a friend of my classmate. Yingguo asks, you were the national champion at that time, right? Yiyang says, yes, I also gave a speech at your school. Yingguo asks, when was it? Yiyang laughs and replies, when you were in primary school. In the meantime, Yingguo's mom comes home. She informs Yiyang, we'll talk upstairs. While Yingguo is cutting fruits, Yiyang offers, I can help with that. Seeing Yiyang cutting fruits, Yingguo remarks, you're better at this than me. Yiyang explains, I've had various jobs before, that's why. Yingguo advises Yiyang, if my mom brings up the past, just listen quietly. Don't argue with her. Besides, Xiaodong told me that my mom's opinion about you has changed because of your teacher. Hearing this, Yiyang feels good. Yingguo then takes Yiyang upstairs and expresses, regardless of what my mom thinks, I have my own opinion and I've decided that I want to always be with you. Yiyang is pleased to hear this. Now, both of them sit in the room. Yingguo's mom says, last month, when we met, and you offered me tea, I realized that Yingguo wanted to speak for you, and it was because of Yingguo that I watched all your matches. When your teacher came, and you bowed in respect to them, my opinion about you changed. Yingguo's mom also says that studying abroad without family support would have been tough. Yiyang says, it was challenging for me, but it has also been very beneficial. Yiyang then offers her tea. Her mom remarks, you're offering me tea for the second time. I didn't like it the first time, but today I'm quite enjoying it. Seeing this, Yingguo and Xiaodong also appear quite happy. Now, Yingguo's mom suggests participating in different categories in the indoor sports. Yiyang says, I'm ready to do whatever you suggest. Yingguo's mom says, your 9-ball record is also quite impressive. Yiyang says, I will participate in the 9-ball. Yingguo's mom asks if Yiyang can handle 8-ball at the same time. Yiyang says he'll play if he gets selected. Yingguo expresses concern that it might be too challenging. Yingguo's mom states that Yiyang will make the decision himself. Yiyang says, I will do my best to win all the games. Yingguo's mother adds, I'm already congratulating you as you are the captain of the Chinese billiard team. This news surprises Yingguo and Yiyang. Yingguo's mom explains, this is the result of the secret ballot. He shakes hands with Yingguo's mom, looking quite pleased. Yingguo then comes out with Yiyang. Xiaodong, upon seeing Yiyang, says, I never thought I'd be standing here with you one day. Now Yiyang takes Yingguo to a bike shop and says, I've prepared a gift for you. Yingguo asks, is it a motorcycle? Yiyang says to look in the front. After looking, Yingguo remarks, there's nothing in the front. Yingguo notices the keys in Yiyang's hands and asks, are these the keys to our apartment in Hell City? Yiyang replies, yes, this is your keychain. Yiyang then surprises Yingguo by saying, we can stay in that apartment whenever we want. Surprised, Yingguo questions, did you buy that apartment? Yiyang responds, yes. Yiyang then gives the keys to Yingguo, saying, when we go there we'll complete the paperwork. The house will be yours. Hearing this, Yingguo becomes a little emotional and says, you waste money like this, who does that? Yingguo states that most people would buy a house locally before considering buying one abroad. While they are discussing, their bike arrives. Later, Yiyang drops Yingguo off at her house. Yingguo congratulates Yiyang on becoming the captain. Yiyang says, I feel really bad that we have to be apart. Yingguo reassures, we'll be able to meet every day after the match.